It's a 2020 Volvo S60. Built for those seeking a thrilling yet safe ride, this S60 comes with a suite of safety features to protect you and your passengers from harm. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, remote engine start smart device, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, external memory control, front heated bucket seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and Wi-Fi hotspot. Built to make your life easier, safer, and better. It's the Volvo way. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 754-220-1690.